Hello guys and welcome. We have another repair video for you. What do we have today? Acer, you guessed right. Another one, huh? This one is actually working. Can you believe that? It is powering on. We have a power light. Yeah, we have picture. So the problem is the HDMI port. It's breaking up and we need to fix it. We need to replace the HDMI port. So let's get right on it. Connecting my fancy capture card. Let's see. Alright. Okay, we do have picture. Moving the port. And everything is fine. So what do you say about that? I don't know. Maybe they need a new cable. Okay, power it off. Yeah, let's look at the port. Looks good. I don't know. We are in. What is this? Corrosion? Yeah. So the HDMI port is here. It looks fine. Yeah, let's take the board out. Disconnect the battery first. Yeah, just like that. Okay, the battery is gonna fall out. Crazy. Screw in the battery, dudes. Yeah. I mean, what would be wrong with this one? The port looks fine. I mean, where is it? It's here. Huh? Let's come closer. Yeah, the whole board is flexing. What do you say, guys? I mean, why would I replace this? I mean, dudes needs new cable. And that's the USB. Is this moving? Nah. Push this down a bit. Not too much. I mean, that's solid. Okay, let's just resolder the connections and test. Good. Good. Other side. I don't know. A little bit of flux. Little bit here. Great. A lot of heat. Little bit solder. Yeah. Good. Good. On the other side, what do we have? Same thing. Yes. That's fine. A little bit here. Where we at? Here we are. Same thing. Need heat. Molten metal. Looks fantastic. Yeah, look at that. Great. So data pins now then. Hot air or solder iron? I don't know. Let's see how it will go. I have thin wire here and a big tip here. Let's see. I don't even need the wire, huh? Can't see, need more light. This one I don't like. Yeah, that's fine. Clean it a little bit more and we are done, I think. Q-tips. I had Q-tips 1 second ago. They're gone. Here they are. Alcohol, Q-tip, clean. Yep. Yeah, I mean, these are soldered solid. Huh? Yeah. Clean on the other side. Yeah, take the memory out. Clean here a bit and we are done. Another thing I would like to smash this in a bit. Gingerly. How can I do it? How could I do it without damaging anything? Oh, not like that. Yeah, I mean, that's all solid. So what the hell? Yet the whole board is moving. This board is paper thin. Yeah. I mean, what's with the good laptops? I got 10 good laptops in a row here to fix. It's crazy. Oh, okay. Dried up a bit with the hot air. $200. Yeah, okay. Did we knock any components out? Don't think we did. Yeah, that's fine. Anything shorted? No. Good. On the inside, fine. Great. Let's put it back together and test. It is back together. Let me check if any screws are poking on the other side. No. We are golden. We have power button, HDMI cable, plug it in. Let's see if we have picture. Not yet. We reset the BIOS, need to wait. All right. I mean, I am moving it around a lot. Yeah, it's fine. Fixed another one, huh? What do you say about that? Yeah, that's solid. Solid, solid. Alright guys, as always, you have links down in the description if you wanna check out the tools I'm using. You can buy something for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.